Ever thought about what will happen if you lose your current job? Or maybe the income you generate could get paused. Sounds alarming, right? Look, honestly, the world is changing with each passing day. The COVID-19 pandemic is a real picture of it, and no one knows what next chapter life has prepared for them. So, it is also better to have different resources and options available than relying on only one thing or medium. If you want to multiply your income stream but not sure what strategies to apply, then this video is for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Unwana Udoh, your free personal finance coach. In today's video, I am going to show you 6 simple strategies that can make you money. So without wasting any further moment, let's get started. The first way to make money is 1. Join Amazon affiliate programs. Amazon is the world's largest online platform, and it generates revenues of $21.33 billion annually, and guess what? You can get a little cut of its profit by recommending its products to customers who are ready to buy them. Start by signing up for the affiliate program, then you can send your affiliate links to the people who you think might want to buy certain products. For every product your customer buys through your link, you will get somewhere around 4 to 8% of the product's sale price, and a key rule is, make sure the product you promote online should be something you know well about and you believe is of high quality. Another thing the Amazon affiliate program offers is, when someone clicks on your link but doesn't purchase the product you recommended back then, yet in the next 24 hours anytime they go back and buy any other product you will get a commission for that product too. Interesting, right? Moreover, affiliate marketing helps you make easy money, and it is a lot trending nowadays. People do different things like creating a lead generating website, in which they drive traffic and lead to the service providing or business page, and they receive payments for driving leads to commercial websites. The second tip you should certainly start working on right away is 2. Create your own course. Online courses are rising at an incredible rate and would be structuring their way in the future ahead. A survey conducted by bestcolleges.com found that 79% of students enjoy online teaching and find it more productive or equal to in comparison to in-school education. Thus, you have a lot of room and numerous opportunities to start your online course idea and attain the utmost benefits from it. I won't deny that creating an online digital course is quite challenging, but it's just a time-daunting effort. But once you have designed your course, it will then make its way growing and generating income. If you desire any one of the things from the list below, then just go for your online course idea and construct it right away. More money. Extra time. Increase your income. Helping people. Go global. Bigger audience. More authority and credibility. The third piece of advice we have here for you is 3. Start a membership website. All you have to do is to create engaging content and people are going to pay you to access it. Firstly, you have to put some content out for free to give your users the taste of what is available, but in order to get all the content or the premium content, they need to subscribe to your website, by doing a monthly payment or by buying a particular premium package. Now, you can charge your users according to what your site provides, or by the offers you deliver to your customers, or by how exceptional or valuable the content is. The cheapest membership site usually costs $5 a month, and the most expensive ones are around a few $100 a month. So, if your site is somewhat minimal, then you can charge around $10 a month. In that case, you would need 100 subscribers to earn $1,000 a month. However, if your website is premium and have numerous other benefits to offer, and you're certain that people would be willing to pay you, then you can easily charge $100 a month, which will make you few $1,000s with only around 10 users a month. The great thing about creating a site is, it generates recurring revenue month after month without you actually maintaining it. Yet some people choose to keep adding new content each month, while others launch their websites only after loading it with all the details and content they wanted to provide. So yeah, the choice is solely yours. The fourth tip you definitely want to try is 4. Dividend growth investing. It is one of the easiest ways to stream an income. All you have to do is to invest in the stock market and companies which are normally called blue chip stocks, and they pay you monthly or quarterly for simply owning shares of their enterprise. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your due diligence before investing in the stock market. Take it this way, investors or shareholders had helped those companies in creating or upgrading an idea, and now once that idea has fueled up, the company has a lot of money, so they are thankfully giving it to the investors as they trusted and invested in them in the first place. Now the challenging part of dividend growth investing is, you actually need a significant amount of money when investing in premium projects. It requires a lot of money. It also encourages you to save it, be frugal, and keep it rather than buying unnecessary things you don't need. Some examples of renowned blue chip stocks are as follows: Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Coca-Cola, Walmart, Disney. 5. Rent things out for a short period. This strategy takes advantage of the things or space that you aren't currently using or perhaps won't be using, so turn these things into money-making opportunities. For instance, if you're going away on summer vacations or on a long holiday, or maybe you just want to travel for a while, then consider renting your free space to tenants who can pay you a handsome amount for the time being. If you are not comfortable with strangers living under your roof, or you fear that they can damage your personal belongings, then you can try renting some household things that may be collecting dust in your garage. It could be stuff like lawnmowers, power tools, mechanics tools, or even tents or large coolers. Look out for mutual items that people need for a short period of time and where it might not make sense for someone to own the item. Then put together a way for clients to discover your inventory and a way for them to pay for it. If you found value so far, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any update or instructive knowledge I share every week. The last and most effective way we have for you is 6. Start a YouTube channel. Take a subject you are passionate about and turn it into a YouTube channel. Find a popular subject, even a small niche would work. At first, you'll have to build up a collection of engaging content to draw an audience towards it, a bit challenging at the start. However, it can undoubtedly create a steady income stream over time as your channel starts to grow. You can also use ads or sponsors to generate more income. Make sure the topic you choose is unique and is not oversaturated already. You will need to craft ongoing content, which will take time, so don't lose your motivation, and keep yourself passionate until you fulfill your final goal. Having a passive income is great because it creates stability, security, and freedom in your financial life. However, passive income streams take time and effort to build. With that said, if you still need help with getting your personal finance in order, you can check out my digital course called Personal Finance Domination. Link is in the description box below. The course deals with personal financial management and is definitely going to help you out in fulfilling both micro and macro financial goals. Lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video. And, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Click to watch the next video on the screen. It contains information you will love.